Here I am, sitting in the garden out by my chicken pen. Been working on my chicken pen today. I got a nasty little weasel. I believe that's the culprit. Some little varmint's eating my chickens. I might lay a trap. I feel bad if that weasels get caught up in there, but got to protect my chickens, you know. Mr. Weasel, you can go somewhere else, buddy. I might be showing up a little weasel skin for my hat band. Oh, that's nasty. That's kind of where I'm at on the first day of spring. I spent the whole day in the garden at El Jardín. It was good today to be in the garden. I visited many places that I hadn't been for so long. She was my old lover. As I touched each piece of my garden, I was remembered the last time we made love. The soft curves of her body. The brown skin of her earthy soil. When I touched every piece today, I was reminded of each gentle kiss of El Jardín. I cried tears of joy. I cried tears of sadness. I wanted to know, where is the one who killed the love? Where did she go? Yet my lover in the garden, El Jardín, she welcomed me back. Unforgiving, she kissed me. She made love to me. I am refreshed. Oh, I am refreshed by my own